Hey guys, this is wagonerstrail, and you can see minions in each and every house. I visited Wagonerstrail mainly to visit that one house which had many inflatables, mainly minions surrounding the entire house. I wanted to see how grand it was, how nice it was. When I entered this neighborhood, it gave me a completely different vibe. Each and every house had minions. And when I went through each and every house and finally reached that house, it gave me an idea that single house represented the togetherness of the entire neighborhood. That entire neighborhood can be seen in that single house. All the minions there in the entire house will be there in that house as well, if you clearly see. This unity and the way this neighborhood has come together to celebrate this festival makes Wagoners Trail a must visit for this year.